zoom?
See that little notchy thing on the top?
And that's when, yeah, and Grandma took me to St James's because she thought they would kiss me. And this Danish doctor, he asked me my name, and I said, you've got it written in front of me first. And I was too quick, and I said, the one with the driver. The one with the men, sorry. Got it wrong. And he said, why is that? So I said, well, if you broke down, they can get up. He took me outside like that to my grandmother, and he said, there's nothing wrong with this child that you're on the stage.
Try not to get any close-up ones of me putting food in my mouth.
My grandchildren are very embarrassed every time I turn up at school. You like it though, Gregory, Janet's youngest. I went to meet him at school once with this great big huge coat. So nice to see him, it was embarrassing so crazy. So I told him I was a film should come back and darling, we're nice to meet you. Love the handshake. I need a plate.
No.
Do you want to sit?
No.
I'm just getting my phone. Where are you going to sit then?
I want chairs.
Sit on. I found my point.
They can make out I'm that much older than you, Miss Eva. Otherwise we would have been, we would have put them in.
Where's your camera?
There you go.
That's a vegetable lasagna, but there's a meat salad behind you. Yeah.
Gently with it. Could be a disaster waiting to happen.
Right in the centre of your finger. The soft pad.
Can I have a look?
And the chef is now,
Don't do mum and I.
Yes, all right. Gary, smile for the camera.
Oh, we do like a bit of that, Fern.
You just stand up this end and do the people the other end if they don't realise you're doing it, and then go down the other end and do the people this end.
It's double, they can hear everything you're saying now.
Oh,
I'm a hairdresser. It was with the women, so I just shaved it.
Dad, it's Trevor and Carol, Mum. Dad.
Got back late. In the car on the way back. Hello, mate. How are you? Good to see you. Yeah, you know. Work me hard. Yeah. Yeah. How are you? And you?
So there's a chair there, there's a pedestal there.
Thank you very much.
Shout to Gary. Gary! Wave to Gary. You know,
Yeah, but I've got a nice bit here.
My husband, she had kind of hole in
Oh yeah, they're trying.
hello. Can I go back? Yeah.
Eating it, Luke? Not yet. Too lazy for me.
She's a
How old is it, Asher?
Put on vegetarian. That means chilled.
So now, what did you say? Is America being an animal tomorrow?
Sarah, the middle.
Where's your? Oh no, come on now. Come on now. That's your bit. That's your bit. Get one of Sam and Georgia. And the other door.
Where are we going?
Oh, it's really hard. It's, what do they call it?
Hey, dance, Shirley.
It's killing.
Well, I managed it, don't I?
It smokes, I don't. It's making me a smoker. Yeah, you're forcing me like those people dogs. I hope that's on tape. Forcing me to smoke like those poor little people dogs. She sent him a reminder to say he goes to circuit train to get back. Oh, and the girl there was she was having a baby. She sent him a picture of this baby hanging on to one nipple. I thought she's doing her exercise. That's really handy.
Darling. You alright?
What used to remind me, when they had that university down there, where they sort of had
Pretty good.
I turned my head on that idea.
That's where they grow the ghettos.
No, we're right. Well, near enough. When you come into
You said it was 4 days, it goes right over for Christmas. Did you get there for Christmas Day? There's the other one as well, that lady.
Yeah, the 59
Probably gonna,
the wine.
probably gonna swim there.
He goes to Bruges.
Bruges? Well, we've been to Bruges, haven't we?
That's right. Yes, you weren't supposed to go near the bloody shed.
Oh, shame.
Switch that off and all.
My wife never buys me flowers.
Not surprised. You'll get them all when you die, Pete. Yeah, I'm saving up on it.
That's exactly where that's to go to the hospital.
Wonderful, aren't they?
I don't know anybody who can write either.
Yes, good. And that's You can have that when you pray. Do you want to go, darling? Did you say no? You do? No, you don't. I don't know whether she did or she didn't.
I know.
You sure? I don't pay. This pay. You'd be sure, won't you?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
You go and fill it up.
No.
No.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Can. Can.
Luke not eating. Don't ready to get Mr. Bean in.
Did he? He just got my shirt. I'd like to get my hat.
Please, I'll do it. You can have a hug. Gently though, Sam. Oh, and a kiss. Oh, lovely. Gently.
Gently, look. Turn it off a minute so I can sort them out.
That.
Now kiss on the lips.
Oh, lovely.
Kiss again. Becky, look.
Oh, how lovely. Oh,
Have some order for the cake cutting, please. Order for the cake cutting. Shut up. Evie, come in here. Stop interfering. Tell them what to do. Evie. Oh no, will you come down here? How about that?
Can you just pause while
Having high classes in the way. High classes, what in the way?
because of a photo.
Where's the knife, Tony?
See the poor old bugger now.
Speak! Speak!
Suspicious. We're all suspicious. Well, I'm just delighted that you've all come. I really just can't believe that I've managed to pack so many people in this small garden. But I'm absolutely overwhelmed and I'm so thrilled to see you all here. I don't know what else to say at the moment.
Speaks, Dad.
Over to Tony. Over to Tony. Well, very often you're lost for words.
I could only back up what Moni said. It's very, very nice to see so many friends and family here. It's really great. As Moni said, I don't know how we got you all in. I mean, she invited about 60 people and said only half would turn up. And I'm just so pleased you're all here, and I must say that 25 years of marriage, and I haven't regretted one single day of it. You could have done murder and been equal,
And it's spooky, Annabelle.
Well, I'd just like to say a couple of other things now.
I thought you not.
Now I'm into the mood, you know. I think it needs honouring, don't you? 25 years.
I'm honoured out of my head already.
Brought you up that way, dear. I think it's a struggle for any couple to be together for 25 years. And I do think we've done well. I don't think it's ever been easy, not for us or for anybody else.
Still got the bruises.
But I do love them.
No tongues.
I'm glad somebody does.
I think we're very, very blessed. I really do think we've been very blessed.
Hello, Mum.
I know where, darling.
I think the two best things that came out of our marriages were
Where's my sit?
Yes, we're very proud of both of them. They've both done very well.
Gary, I think you've grown up to be a very wonderful human being. I've watched you and your struggle over the last few years, and I'm very honoured to be here.
At least you get Rose back, also.
I'm also very proud of my daughter who, after 4 years struggle, has just graduated with a BA honours. The only one in the family to get that far educationally, and I'm very, very proud of her.
And she's nicely marked as well.
I'm just wondering whether she'll ever sober up long enough to teach anyone.
Very sad, there's quite a few people missing from our table. My family is depleting very, very quickly. I need all of you young ones to start pulling some.
Oh, look at me!
You get that message, Gary?
Was as they say down south in America, you want to get yourself breeding, boy.
I'll show you how later.
Who's going to show you? You'll never like that. Mother cat.
Rachel, the battery is about to go.
So just thank you all for coming.
Mum, don't waggle around, that's sharp.
Yeah, you're not used to it, but it's actually pretty sharp.
No, I bought my sharp knife.
You're not supposed to tell us.
No, they don't let some close sharp things.
That's why I volunteered one of ours, because ours were
Money, before you do anything, I'd like to say I think everybody here must thank you for the wonderful spread you put on and how you've been a good host and hostess.
Thank you.
I wish I could.
Well, we promise we'll have it whether you're here or not. Yeah, well, we'll see you all back in 25 years. Forget who's here. We'll are it for the day. Mum and Dad, 25 years of marriage, hell, high water, teenagers, children, the whole lot, and we're all still here. Monty and Tony.
that lipstick don't suit you at all.
Sorry.